Micro-Dermabrasion. Have you ever used it? Have you ever gone to a beauty salon and had it done? Probably hasn't given you much change out of $100, and you are at the mercy of a piece of machinery that the person is going around and around your face. Some people quite often say that they come out of the salon red raw. However, this is our in-home Nutrimetics Micro-Dermabrasion set, and you've actually got very good instruction here. This comes with two pieces. One of those is our resurfacer, and this is really a high performance, high results range. It's part of our Ultra Care range. So number one is the resurfacer, made on Scandinavian mineral polish, and basically that does more than your general everyday exfoliator. That's probably one of the most asked questions. Why is this any better than any other exfoliator? And I'd have to say the difference is a general exfoliator lifts off that top layer that's going to come off on its own accord any day now anyway. So it does make a slight difference, whereas this is your real big kahuna when it comes to making a big difference to the complexion. It lifts away layers of sweat, pollution, dead skin, leftover makeup. Your makeup just really sits better after you've done this. So the trick to this product though is not to get in the shower angry with someone and just do 10 seconds. You know, maybe the dishes aren't done or someone's promised something and it's not done. So you get in the shower for your few minutes on your own and rub like crazy. That is not how this works. It's best. It is to get it on the skin about a pea size, gently massage it all over your face and keep massaging that gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, it's a treatment product. If you went to a salon, you'd be laying there letting them do all of whatever they need to do to you for a few minutes. So this is generally going to get a much better result if you are giving it a good couple of minutes. All over your face, rinse it off, use a cleanser if you still feel the need. But when you hop out, tone, if you believe in toning, but put on our really beautiful serum. Now this serum is a game changer. It's made on Kakadu plum, and that actually gives you the world's richest source of vitamin C. And of course we all know that vitamin C is a crucial ingredient in a lot of products to help replenish collagen, to give your skin a firmer, healthier glow. Love, love, love these two products. They do come in this beautiful box with lots of instruction to help you. But if you want to make your skin feel younger, look younger, then this is a must to add to your skincare routine. It is just really got to be part of your weekly routine. Twice a week, and this one every day. So yeah, inbox me with any questions. I'd love to be able to answer those for you. Thanks.